Welcome back. Just like we did in the previous video, here also we want to look at the matrix multiplication for 3 by 3 matrix. We have the first matrix, which is matrix A, and the second matrix, matrix B. We are going to multiply matrix A by matrix B, and we are also going to look at matrix B by matrix A so that we can justify that matrix A multiplied by matrix B is not the same as matrix B multiplied by matrix A. So in doing this, we're going to locate where we want our result. We want the results to be. So I'm going to put it here. So I'm doing matrix A by B, matrix A multiplied by matrix B. So I'm going to highlight equals MM, which is matrix multiplication. I will highlight the first, press comma, and I will highlight the second, press Ctrl Enter. I made a mistake there. Yep. I'm supposed to press Shift Ctrl Enter. So let me start again. Equals MMULT. I will highlight on the first matrix, comma, highlight on the second matrix. Then I press Shift Ctrl Enter. Shift Ctrl Enter. So you can see the matrix multiplication now for 3 by 3. Don't forget the matrix multiplication for 3 by 3 gives this result. What if I want to do matrix multiplication BA instead of AB that I've just concluded? Okay, let me look at this now. BA, meaning I'm going to highlight on the first on matrix B before matrix A. Highlight equals MM. I will highlight on matrix B because I'm doing B before A, comma. I will highlight on matrix A. Yes, and after that, I'll press Shift Ctrl Enter. Boom. So you can see the difference between the matrix multiplication. If you are watching this YouTube for the first time, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Thank you. Bye for now.